What's up guys, and we're back with another day. And so basically what we've done all day is had breakfast and that's it. We legit just sat in the hotel the rest of the day and did nothing. Yeah, we did nothing. Basically what we were doing is just editing and transferring stuff over and just sorting all that out. Wow, my eyes. Yeah, no eyeshadow again. Yeah, so that's basically what we've been doing today, and now we're just gonna go to Starbucks, I believe. That's what we were thinking of doing. Yeah, go Starbucks, get some coffee, and we've got a cruise well, we're getting picked up at 6 to 6:30 because we've got a dinner cruise, so that should be interesting. Yeah, tomorrow we're at the Safari Desert, so yeah, tomorrow's a busy day. We thought we would unwind because we've just been so tired recently. Yeah, so basically that's the situation, but I'll show you guys my outfit. So my outfit is a maroon type blouse and it's got like net on top. Then I've got my skinny blue jeans. I'm wearing my black boots for now, but I'm changing into heels before we go on the cruise, just to make it a bit more, what's the word, formal in some ways, like casual formal. And obviously I've got my backpack as usual, so yeah. And that's what this guy's wearing at the moment, maroon with the black trousers, shoes, and it's the star. So yeah, so that's the plan. So we're gonna go. So we're gonna go get some coffee, and then we'll see. We'll get some good shots and explore a bit, and then go back to the hotel, get picked up, go on the cruise. That's the plan for today. So let's see how it goes.
Jeez.
Right guys, so basically we went to Starbucks, done and got a couple of shots for the outfit video, and now we need to go upstairs to get my heels because the driver should be here in like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So yeah, we need to get her going, but yeah, that's what the plan is. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, okay. He's hungry. But we're both really hungry.
نظرة بالإشارة تعرف نبض الحرارة، نظرة بالإشارة تعرف نبض الحرارة.
काफी बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां उनके पास और भी।
मेरे एक दोस्त वो डबल डेकर चलाते हैं उधर, बस है ना।
हाँ
रेड कलर डबल डेकर चलाते हैं लंदन शहर में।
लंदन है बहुत बड़ा।
उसके 28 साल उधर हो गए।
कैमरा
चल आफरी guys, so basically we have just came back from the cruise. We're outside the hotel, walking back up, and now he's going to lean on me, but I've got heels on. Yeah, so basically we met this like really nice couple from Germany, and we had a really good conversation, exchanged Instagrams and stuff, but yeah, they were really nice, had good conversations with them, and now we are going back to the hotel, but there's like a supermarket outside our hotel, so we're going to check if that's open, because this one wants more food after we already ate two lots guys, 2 lots of food, and everyone else had barely any food. Look at this car, guys. Driver.